recipes, one for you, one for the kids to play. It's a Play-Doh. First I'm showing you the Play-Doh, how to make the Play-Doh. So then I will show you the weekly recipe. Okay, I'm going to put 1 cup already. I put it in here. Another cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add salt. 1 cup of salt. Still. Okay, let's see. Maybe this is enough. I think this much salt is enough. And I'm going to add some food coloring, couple drops. Whatever color you have it, I think it's blue. So then I'm going to add 1 spoon of cream of tartar. This is garlic salt. Okay. Oh, I'm going to add 1 spoon of cream of tartar. So let's put this one in there. Okay. Then the last one is some oil, 1 big spoon of oil. Okay, and mix it dry, mix it like this. Then I will add the water. All mixed together, dry ingredients like this. Then I'm going to get 1 cup of water. Mix it. See, I put maybe quarter cup more in that. 1 1/4 cup of water, like this. So I'm going to take a wooden spoon and cook it now. Stove and switch on the stove and put it like medium and keep stirring it. Like, see, look at this, it's done. Let it cool and it's ready to play. Look at this plate, it's ready for play. See how nice it came, nice and long. You can make it a ball. So I'll show you how I'm going to play with this, okay? I don't have any Play-Doh toys, but I have some cookie cutters. You can roll it, and make a pumpkin. See? Some long thing, shape it, and roll it again. So, last one is my star. So you can put it in an airtight container, glass jar, or anything, plastic thing. It stays for 1 week to 10 days. You can play with it. Okay guys, I'll see you another art project next week. Thank you.